Cough and cold can make you feel weak and uncomfortable. Take warm water. Add 1 spoon of honey and a few drops of lemon. This helps soothe your throat. Boil ginger in water for 5 minutes. Drink this warm ginger tea to reduce cold symptoms. Inhale steam from hot water. Steam helps clear your blocked nose. Drink plenty of warm fluids and take enough rest. Drink turmeric milk before sleep. It helps reduce throat irritation. Gargle with warm salt water. It helps reduce throat pain. Garlic has natural antibacterial properties and may help your body fight infection. If symptoms last more than a few days, please visit a doctor. Stay healthy and take care.